whether you all are going to reserve jobs for the locals. Are you going to give in
I think the
writing?
white paper you have not seen it properly.
No, I have the white paper.
So the white paper will come to you. You can see that we are going one step ahead. Every industry needs industry ready people. And त्यांना इंडस्ट्री येता सदांच ग्रिव्हन्स असता की गोंयकार रेडी ना म्हणून. We are going to a level of skill upgradation. We are trying to give what industries are coming in तांकां employment दिवपाक opportunities आमच्या लोकांक दिवप. We are following a model that where priority will be given to Chibelkars. ताज्या मागीर भायर Mopa same घेतिल्ले. We are doing the same there. In Porvorim also we are doing the same type of system where locals will be given priority, not only for job employment, but also for employment opportunities, self-employment opportunities.
So will there be any reservation? That is what I am asking. Any quota?
It's a private industry. You cannot give quota. You have to ensure it's a progressive policy. It's a progressive scheme. So you have to get people equipped for this, which is a part of the government, which we are given in the white paper.
And when you are saying that equipped, will you be giving training for the people who are in this IT sector?
तुका white paper ती म्हाका पळोवना. White paper घाला की not only the youth, we are going to skill the housewives, we are going to skill the senior citizens also. That when you talk about digital India, when you talk about digital Goa, एक side, if you are moving toward digital concept, it is very important that the people also know how to use. ताज्या खातीर senior citizen and सुद्धा digital training ताजेर घाला white paper. Government is not into industry. Government is creating these avenues today. For whom? For our people, for our goals, who would want to be kept over here in Goa. आवय बापायक सोडून वचनाका, खंयच नाका, हांगाच रावात ना, भायर गेल्ले परत या, is the basic thing that we have taken.